bout number 5, we have Ayush from Kanchenjunga Fight Team, Sikkim, blue corner. Music. From the red corner, we have Shobhatu from Alpha Omega. We are about to start the first round for bout number 5. Ready?
Judge. Ayush, be aware. Let's go.
Round 1. We have some beautiful action. In the first 10 seconds itself, that's a nice shoot from the blue corner. We have the red corner against the cage. That's a nice reversal and reversed back. We have the red corner having a control over the blue against the cage. Those are some beautiful knees to the thigh. Some beautiful shots from the red corner as well. He has a very tight grip of the upper body. We have a nice takedown attempt. He's trying to trap the leg and go for a takedown. That's a nice defense from the blue as well to stop those vicious knees. And that's a takedown from the red corner. He has a beautiful mount position and he gets the back. We have a beautiful back mount from the red corner. The red corner is slowly sliding his RNC grips in. And he has the grip, going for the finish. That's a nice defense from the blue corner. He has one of his grips tight, just needs to lock. He has a nice grip. He has his hands locked. He's going for the rear naked choke. He has his grips very tight in. Nice escape attempt from the blue corner. He has escaped the submission. Some nice shots from the back. And we have a mount and a back from the red corner. Some nice shots to the head. He has his hands back in the RNC position again. Last 10 seconds for the first round. Time! We are about to start round 2 for bout number 5.
Time. Fighters, fight!
Round 2. Some nice low kicks from the blue corner. He's trying to control the cage, the center of the cage. The red corner seems very calm. He has his guards down pretty low.
I want you to throw, bro. Come on.
Now some nice shots from the blue corner. The pressure for the red corner is very well. Beautiful footwork from the blue corner. It seems they want to strike a little more now. That's a body lock from the red corner and he has the blue against the cage again. That's a very nice defense to block those knees. We have a takedown and the back has a beautiful body lock triangle from the back position. Some nice shots from both the corners. We have a very good showdown. The blue corner is trying to shake his opponent down. Last 10 seconds for round 2. We have both the fighters on their feet again. Stop! small announcement. Please, cornermans, be seated. Do not get up from your chairs. Seconds out.
Ayush.
We are about to start the round 3 for bout number 5.
Judge. Time. Fighters, fight.
Round 3. Some beautiful punches from both the corners. We see them connecting punches to each other very well. Beautiful right hooks from the blue corner and a body knee. Some nice combos as well.
Utilize the jab. Oh, come on, then they are going to use the jab.
Fight.
Oh, too slow, man. She killed this slow.
We have the blue corner against the cage again.
Boxing, half guard, half chala, half chala, half chala. Only face.
Nothing is landing, bro. Come on, you get
Get
lost.
on,
I want you to be stronger. I want you to be stronger. Come on, bro.
We have a very good grip from the red corner. He has blue tight against the cage. The blue corner needs to take that overhook, else he's going to expose his back. Some nice shots to the body from the blue corner. Very nice head position from the red corner. We see the red corner controlling his heads to control the head for the blue corner. Nice knees from the blue corner. Some nice shots to the head from the red corner. Nice shots. He's collecting points little by little. Nice knees from the blue corner. We see the red corner controlling the back now. A nice control for the red. Beautiful knees to the thighs. Last 10 seconds for the final round. Time! That was a beautiful fight. Can we please cheer up the fighters, guys? Beautiful show from both the ends. Let's see who takes this bout. So, the winner of this bout via unanimous decision from the red corner, Shobha